Alright, so this is a very crucial step in building a new drawer. What we gotta do now is stretch the frame. So I've got the cylinder up just enough for me to get the drawer in. You put the drawer in, these are loose right now. You actually gotta tighten them down before you do this. Not super tight, but just tight enough to keep everything in place. You probably just tighten it by hand, should be okay. And so get all these kind of tight. And then after that, the idea is the drawer is placed right now, so the press plate is directly under the cylinder. And you can look right in here. Can you show that, Chris? Oh, wait. Right in here, it's up against the edge of the spacer on each side. So it's going to be fully contacted by the press foot right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on our power cube and use the valve to push down with all the force onto the press plate, and that's going to stretch out the frame a little bit, which is going to allow us to get the proper adjustment on these members, so everything's real tight later on. So I'm going to do that now. I'll fire up the power cube, and you do want to wear safety glasses for this point in case anything explodes. Okay, and it will stall out your power cube because it's a lot of force, so you just gotta kind of play it light and go back and forth a little bit. Should be about stretched out. I don't know if you saw it flex a little bit when I stretched it. So we'll see what happens when I unstretch it, because I gotta do that next. I'll stretch it one more time and then unstretch it. Okay. And after this step, what you gotta do is you gotta adjust the drawer height, because this is stretched it out a little bit, so the members might be a little off. So you're just gonna put the drawer in there, maybe put a little paper spacer in there between here and the surface of the drawer, just so that the drawer can slide in and out easily. And that's all. You can go ahead and shut it off.